Eksena namin kagabi ay puro karga. Eksena namin ngayon, ewan ko kung muling magkaganon. Okay lang naman, okay lang naman, dahil overload sa kakitaan. Cry, cry, cry in the morning. Cry, cry, cry in the afternoon. Cry, cry, cry in the evening. Cry, cry, cry until early morning. That's why carry in the morning, carry in the afternoon, carry in the evening until early morning. Okay lang naman, okay lang naman, dahil overload sa kakitaan. Pupo in the morning, pupo in the afternoon, pupo in the evening, pupo even until early morning. Yes, guys, thank you. Please support my single, it might go viral and you're going to be awarded with platinum record. Yeah. Okay, so ambitious. Thank you guys. Yes.